All right, in this video, I want to talk about somebody that had such an impact on my life growing up, and it was my late grandfather, Frank Marone. Lived to about 94 years old, passed away about a year and a half ago. Why did he have an impact on my life? Well, for one, my mom had me when she literally just turned 18. She was 17 while she was pregnant with me. She turned 18. Had me. My father, for whatever reason, had issues. He was out of the picture. And so my mom was basically raising me as like an 18-year-old woman, or girl rather. And so my grandfather took us in. We lived upstairs in a small little apartment in this very humble house in a little town called Kopec, New York. And while he didn't have financial means, like he was a custodian at a high school, and my grandmother literally made bathing suits in a factory. They were very rich in love, and gave me all of the traditional values that I appreciate. I think I'm the man I am today because of the lessons that my grandfather taught me. And while we're successful in our own way, however you define success, to him, successful was kind of like being a father figure to me, and kind of, again, instilling all of those traditional values of having respect and honesty and transparency, and and how to treat women, and how to raise your children, all of those things that kind of go much further than making the Inc. 500 list for a business. So anyway, that's some of the reasons why I appreciate, respect, and miss my grandfather dearly.